Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to autofill data from Google Sheets into Google Docs. You'll see fields like first name, last name, and position in the footer. This is perfect if you have a lot of employee data and want to create offer letters in just one click. Here, you can see the template document. It's a simple doc with variables like first name, last name, position, company name, etc. We'll dynamically autofill this data from Google Sheets into the document. So, let's get started. Now, we'll go back to Google Sheets, click on Extensions, then select App Script. You'll see the script document. Here, you can change the script name if needed. We've already written the script for you, so all you need to do is copy it and paste it into the script editor. The link to the script will be in the video description. And here, you need to replace two IDs. The first one is the template ID, and the second is the folder ID where you want to store all your documents. So, please pay attention to the video as I'm explaining each step carefully. Now, you need to click on the Save button and run the script. You'll need to grant some permissions, as you can see in the video. After that, you'll see the script execution starting, and it will take some time to generate all the offer letters. Once it's done, you'll see a message saying that the execution has been completed. Now, let's go to the folder where we saved all the offer letters, and you can see that all the offer letters have been successfully generated. Finally, we match the fields we fetched from Google Sheets with the data in the document. And remember, this script isn't just for offer letters. You can use it to pass any important data from Google Sheets to Google Docs according to your needs. Thanks for watching.